Hi folks, welcome back to another video regarding my 3D printing. The great thing with 3D printing is that if you come across a problem, there might be a chance that you can design something to fix the problem, or there might be something online that solves the problem. And I want to show you something that is a problem for me and has been for a while, and I've always been looking for a solution for this problem, and now that I have a 3D printer I have come up with my own solution. This container here is a container, it stores milk. You have 2 litres of milk in this when you buy it originally, and when the milk is used up, what I do is use this container for old cooking oil, to store old cooking oil. And obviously what you have to do is you take the top off, okay, and I have this funnel that you put in the top, but the problem is this funnel moves all over the place like this, and sometimes that when I'm pouring the oil in, it actually just falls off and you end up spilling the oil somewhere. So not really a good solution. And of course the old oil that I have here I use for fire logs, which I'll leave a link to the video, the fire log video, at the end of this video. So I needed something that was quite sturdy, so when I'm pouring in the oil it doesn't move and the oil goes directly in. So the benefits of having a 3D printer, I have come up with this design. Now it still needs a bit of tweaking, but the idea is that I'll take the cap off this here and I screw this cap on. As I say, it just needs a bit of tweaking, but basically this is the idea. So now I have a cap that's on the bottle and it's going to be quite sturdy, and anytime I want to pour the oil in, I just pour the oil in and then there's no moving about. It's quite solid, you know, it's not going to move about or it's not going to fall. I'll just pour the oil in, and once I make a couple of more tweaks of this device, what I'll do is I'll put it up on MakerWorld, where MakerWorld are the company that supply the 3D printer that I have an A1, and I will put this design up on MakerWorld when it's completely fixed. As I say, some of the threading needs to be redone. It does thread on, but I just want to make it a little bit better, and I'll put this up on MakerWorld. So anybody that has one of these Avonmore fresh milk cartons and you want to store something in it, it might not be oil, it might be something else, paint or whatever, and you need to pour it out or you need to pour stuff into it, well, I'll make this available on the site on MakerWorld, and you can download, you can print it, and you can use it yourself. And this is the great thing about having a 3D printer. When you come across a problem, you think, how can I fix it? What do I need to do? And can I use the 3D printer to fix it? And this now is going to be handy for me. Every time I go to put in old cooking oil, I'll have it on top of the bottle, and then I won't have any issues of spilling it and it falling or whatever. So there you go, quick solution, 3D printed, very easy to do, didn't take that long. But yeah, I have a solution for my oil. I'm sure there's going to be more things I'm going to be coming across, but for now that does the job. As usual, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe and all that stuff. Take care. Bye bye.